Have you ever noticed how some people just seem more at ease in their own bodies? Like they have steady energy, they feel lighter throughout the day, and aren't constantly trying extreme diets or changing everything at once. So lately, I've been seeing more people talk about something called the bariatric gelatin trick. It's a really simple daily habit that's been quietly getting attention because of how easy it is to follow and really fit into your routine. So, what makes it interesting is how uncomplicated it really is. You guys, it takes just a few minutes to prepare and it uses basic ingredients that you can basically find at any grocery store. Sometimes you might already have it in your home. So there's no complicated plan or strict rules, just a very small habit that you can stick to consistently. From what people share, this routine can really help them feel more balanced throughout the day. Some mention feeling lighter, having better digestion, and experiencing more stable energy. Not those highs and crashes, but a more steady, manageable rhythm. And over time, that can make it easier to maintain healthier habits without feeling like you're forcing anything. So the important thing is that it's not about some quick fix or unrealistic promise. It's a simple way to support your body with something natural, and it's really easy to keep up with over time. Sometimes it's the small, consistent habits that end up making the biggest difference. So if you are curious and want to understand exactly how it works, there is a short video explaining everything step by step in the link down below. It's in the description of this video. It's straightforward, easy to follow, so it makes sense for all of you guys. It might be worth taking a look because this simple habit could really fit into your routine and help you feel a little more balanced day to day. Just click the link down below to learn more. See you later.